Now it's available McAfee cars, Lexus RX in black. It's got a xenon headlights, headlamp washers, 18-inch alloy wheels. Electric tailgate. Let's have a look inside the car. It's got a full black leather interior with 5 headrests and armrests in the middle. Electric windows on the back. Electric windows on the front. And also electric and folding mirrors. Electric driver and passenger seat. Multifunction steering wheel with Bluetooth and cruise control. It's got a sat-nav, reverse parking camera, heated front seats, radio and CD player, air conditioning, climate control, automatic transmission, and for your safety airbags on the front, on the side and on the back. And also electric sunroof.